Welcome to this quick Thursday evening briefing. A large area of low pressure gradually pushing east from the Atlantic is pulling warm and unstable air northward across Western Europe, setting the stage for a few rounds of severe storms in the coming days. We didn't really see much action today in terms of storm activity, but there was a couple short-lived pop-up thunderstorms in France, yet this is going to change going into tomorrow as that big system gets closer. A much more active day appears likely, with strong to severe storms erupting from eastern Spain all the way up into France. The yellow level 1 risk area indicates at least a low end risk of severe storms. It's pretty broad across the UK since there is some uncertainty in exactly what areas get storms. Regardless, it's going to be a rainy and perhaps thundery evening in spots across portions of Ireland and the UK. But of course, the really threatening weather's happening down in mainland Europe. A couple areas that stand out is northern Spain into southern France, and especially within the level 3 risk area over a large part of northern France into western Belgium. Here's a look at a high resolution weather model so you can really get an idea of how this possible outbreak of storms is going to unfold. Already by Friday morning, this model suggests some developing storms in the Bay of Biscay, and then once we cross into the afternoon hours, conditions really deteriorate quickly in the level 3 risk area, including Paris, where several supercell thunderstorms could materialize, posing a significant risk of large to very large hail, damaging wind gusts, and perhaps a couple tornadoes. This advances north and east during the evening hours, and that's when parts of Belgium and maybe even into the Netherlands and far southeastern England could feel the effects of these powerful storms. And also regarding the other area of interest, storms should begin developing in northern Spain and southern France sometime in the late afternoon and evening hours, moving generally north and east before fizzling out late at night. Now, how are things shaping up for Saturday? Looks like another very active day to say the least. By this point, the Atlantic disturbance is located over Ireland and the UK, producing widespread convective shower and storm activity. But once again, the main risk for severe storms with a risk of large damaging hail and severe wind gusts is going to set up over mainland Europe, particularly from eastern Spain and northern Italy into portions of France, western Germany, Switzerland, and the Benelux. As we transition from Saturday into Sunday, the severe threat is going to begin to wane over Central Europe as the cold front pushes across Germany. But even still, keep an eye on Spain, southern France, and Italy for another round of intense storms as Cape values look to stay quite high.